Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering on your Bose Quietcomfort Earbuds Roman 2 and gathering the 3 sizes of ear tips. Choose the size that feels comfortable without forcing it into the ear canal. Gently press the tip into your ear and hold for about 15 seconds while speaking. If you hear muffled bass and reduced outside noise, the seal is correct. If not, switch to a larger or smaller tip and repeat the test until you hear the desired balance and comfort. Hold an earbud with the Bose logo facing outward and the tip angled about 45 degrees. Gently insert the tip into the ear canal and rotate the earbud back toward your head until it locks. The earbud should sit flush and provide light resistance without pain. Repeat with the other earbud, then move your jaw and walk for 30 seconds to confirm stability. If an earbud feels loose, try a different tip or reinsert with a slightly different angle for a firmer fit. Open the Bose Music app and connect your Quietcomfort Earbuds Roman 2 to run the fit test. Follow the guided prompts to confirm each earbud seals properly and adjust active sense noise control levels. Use the app to fine-tune equalizer settings and personalize touch control behavior for single or double taps. Adjust device volume to a comfortable listening level and verify left-right balance during audio playback. Clean ear tips and the charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.